Now imagine this. If you could all just close your eyes with me for a minute. So imagine, one day you put on a VR headset and you're instantly transported to Alaska in the Arctic refuge, standing in the very spot where that last image was shot. You look around and you're the only one present. It's very quiet. You look for any signs of life, but all you see is sheer landscape within landscape. You start to make your way around, and suddenly you see a caribou herd making their way towards you, about 10 kilometers away. You sit and wait patiently and remain out of their way.